Hello everyone. So welcome for the again one more lab of the EC, that is energy conversion lab or energy lab. So in this today's lab we will be talking about the Pensky Martin's closed cup apartments flash and fire point. What is a flash point and what is a fire point that we are talking about over here. So before starting the experiment, how is the apparatus? This is the apparatus which we can see here. I have switched it on because it takes a lot of time, so I have switched it on over here. So what is the apparatus is? It is a closed cup apparatus. In this apparatus there will be the oil here. The oil will be inside and we will be measuring the what is the flash and fire point temperature of that oil. So this is the closed cup apparatus. So what is meant by closed cup means we are covering that oil and allowing it to heat, and then we are recording what is the flash and the fire point. So here we can see that this is the temperature probe here, thermocouple probe here. This is thermocouple and we are measuring this using the temperature. Now we are inserting this over here and we are noting down the temperature. Now the temperature is 43 degrees Celsius. I have started this with 30 degrees Celsius. Now the temperature has become 43 degrees Celsius. So now we will be looking at what temperature this thing will get a flash and when it will get a fire. So I think we have to wait for, generally we will get this flash and fire point at around 50 degrees Celsius and fire around 70 degrees Celsius. So based on that we will look over here. So as of now we can say that it is 48.3 degrees Celsius. It's not like it has to happen at 50 only, we need to check it once. So for that checking what we have to do is just take over here and just put a fire over here. If it is catching some fire, yes, then we can say that it is a flash point. Still it is not happening. So this is how we are going to perform this experiment, and this is the tabular column over here. This is a very simple experiment in part A where the tabular column is like this: serial number, temperature you have to note down, and the observation you have to note down. In the temperature part you have to go on increasing the temperature 30 degrees Celsius, 40 degrees Celsius, and at each temperature we have to check whether this is happening or not. Okay, let me check again. Just it catch the fire, so it just lighted and gone. So that is what is the flash point is all about. So it is guessed that, that is what the vapors are just enough to catch that fire. So that is the meaning of the flash point. What is fire point? The vapors should be collected in such an amount where that it can raise a fire. So that is what the fire point is all about. So here it is just catching the flash, so that is the flash point, and the temperature you can see here, it was around 57 degree. Now again it has been increased to 59 degree. Okay, initially it will take time, but after that it will take in a quicker manner. You can see here the temperature is going on increasing. We have noting it down. So at 54 or 58 degrees Celsius I got a flash point. At what temperature we will see the what is the fire point as well. Now again I am checking for the fire point. Can I get a fire point? No, it is again flash only. So it has gone again. We have to wait for some more time, I guess. So it is just a simple experiment, but yes, it will take a little time. See, meanwhile you can see here the temperature is getting increased here. 67, 67.5. You can see here the temperature is getting on increased. Okay, initially it will take some time, but after that it goes on. So now we can see here how we can say that it is a fire point. See here, if there is a continuous flashes at every temperature, if there is a continuous flashes coming on, then we say that it is a fire point. As you can see that you have already seen within a second, fraction seconds I got 2 to 3 flashes. That is what the fire point is all about. Okay, so hope that yeah. So this is the oil over here. This is the fire point which I am getting over here. So the temperature is around 64.8 or 65 degrees Celsius. Okay. So hope that you have understood the today's session, guys. Meet you in the next session.